What's up, guys? Am I recording right now? Yo, what up, guys? So it's been a while since I made a video. This is gonna be kind of like an update video, plus we're gonna do an install on my car today. First and foremost, for the updates, I hit 100 subscribers, so thanks to all the little people out there watching me. Another update is my car got backed up into, so that's kind of the reason of this video, but not really. My headlights were fine. The whole front of my car just got messed up. So here we go. So as you can see, someone backed up into my car, destroying my fender. It kind of got all warped right there. The grill's off because it kind of snapped. It's gonna be right here. It got snapped off right there, and on this side and on the bottom side, as you can see right there, it doesn't have like that connector, so it's kind of broken. And then my hood actually got dented in right there. I pushed it down as much as I could to get it out. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So what I'm gonna be doing later on is I'm gonna probably get a front bumper, install that. I don't know which one yet, so we'll be looking around. So I did order a different grill. It's gonna be a different style than the stock one. I'll make a video later on that when it comes in. Pretty much my next videos are gonna be me redoing the front end of my car, getting it back in shape. So watch out for those videos, and let's get started on the headlight install. Any bike lovers out there, I am currently building this bike. It's a old cafe racer style, so if you want videos on that, let me know. So these are gonna be the headlights we got. These are gonna be the Spec tuning ones. They're projector headlights, so the whole headlight's gonna be a different style than the OEM stock ones. Alright guys, so here's that headlight, totally different style. We got projector. It's got a kind of little LED accents right there. I got the cleared out chrome version. They also have a smoked housing version, which is just like a gloss black. So if you like that look, you can get that one. It does have a reflector right there. Don't hate it, don't love it, but we'll see. Yeah, so let's get the install going. Alright, so we're gonna move 10 mil bolts. And there's another bolt back here, so we gotta remove this cover right here of the bumper. Even though mine's pretty much trashed. And you just pull it back, it should be right back here. After that, we just go ahead and pull this up right here. Nice jiggle. Pull it straight back because there's these two ball clips right there, and then we'll go ahead and unplug everything. So we're going to swap over from your old headlight is these top two wires right here with the two lights, this bottom bracket for the bumper, and then the two push-in bolts right here. Off to the side here where this sticker's at. Yep, this is a big one right here. Find this wire right here. Kind of looks like the back end of the light bulb. This pops out right there. I think it goes like that. My car's the STI, so if you have the STI, you have a HID versus the RX, which has the halogen. So this part right here, the low beam's not going to be plug and play because the connectors are different. So what we're going to do is just snip these and then make our own disconnect wires to the factory one, and then it should be good. Tip number one. Here's a tip of the day, guys. So if you buy something, unbox it. Try to unbox everything, because I didn't notice that the box actually came with extra hardware. So that one lower bracket that I needed that was broken actually came with one and some instructions, so let's try that out. Alright guys, so here's a little explanation. So the stock wire that we got off the OEM headlights, it has the blinker light, and this is the parking light, okay? You're gonna install the blinker light back in there. You're gonna take out the parking light, and we're gonna plug in this thing. So this actually powers these three LEDs. Alright guys, so how I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna have the halo rings to only turn on when I turn the lights on. So what we're gonna do is unplug the old low beam connector from your old headlight, and I'm gonna cut it in half. This is the HID end, so this is the car end, and we're gonna cut this in half. I'm gonna cut this one that doesn't really fit my car off, and I'm gonna splice in the halo lights into this, so when it turns on, the halo and the low beam turns on. That light about there. Alright guys, so your black is usually your negative, so we're gonna run the black to the black, and then don't forget about the little halos, black to the black and white to the white, red, and blue. Ooh, America, go America. I'm gonna go ahead and give me some heat shrink just so I can make this way better and keep it away from moisture. Throw these bad boys on there so we don't forget about them later on. Go ahead and get everything stripped. Put your black negative to negative on this black end. Get a nice little twist. I'm gonna put a crimp on one side right here, give it a twist so it gets nice and snug, and then crimp that end of it. And then we're gonna go ahead and put the red right here. Just gonna put the heat shrink over and shrink it up. So what I'm gonna do before I install it is see this jungle of vines everywhere. I'm gonna get it all neat with some zip ties and go and install it. Get everything plugged in. Just pop it in there. Alright, so now before we bolt everything up, we're gonna make sure all the lights work. Looks like we're good to go. Last part, just peel back this. And we got a fresh new headlight right there. Dang, dude, that's gonna look nice. New light, old light, all foggy light, new light, old light, new light, new light. There you go, guys. So that's how you install the Spec headlight. I'm just gonna fast forward, do the other side, and then we should get some before and oh, we don't got any before pics, but we should just get some after pics. There we go, guys. Those are gonna be the lights right there. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for the install video. I'm really happy how the lights turned out. So stay tuned for some more videos of me completing the front end, just fixing up all the damage that happened to it. Thanks again for your guys' support. Like, subscribe, and see you next time, guys.